Hey there, Wealth Press subscribers, viewers, traders, and investors. Welcome to another midweek update. And I am joined, as per usual, by Lance Ippolito. Lance, how the hell is it going?
Choppy, and in case I didn't say it, choppy.
Choppy. So you're making a stir fry over there.
I am kind of hungry, so that would be nice, but I probably will order Uber Eats. I probably attribute to half of their sales per quarter.
Is that right, eh? Yeah, I remember the good old days when I lived in a place called a city and we had Uber Eats and restaurants and stuff. And now
Yeah.
it's like, now I'm wearing, this is my new trading outfit.
Oh, wow. I
Yeah.
like it.
Yeah.
The good old overalls.
Basically, I rush out, milk a cow, feed some chickens, and then come back in and look at my portfolio.
It's not a bad thing. Not a bad thing at all.
No, the nice thing about it is none of the chickens or cows have any sign of COVID-19, and I don't really think that they're going to get it. So I'm all happy about that. The only problem is my internet signal sucks. So trying to place a trade in anything like a reasonable time frame is almost a fool's errand. And however, I am going to bite the bullet and spring for Iridium internet service. That's $695 a month.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Well, you got to do what you got to do when you got to do it, right?
Exactly. There is a price to be paid for living the bucolic lifestyle of the country gentleman. If I may make that presumption. So tell me, what are you trading in today? Where are your strategies deployed? Where's the risk? Where's the opportunity? What the hell is going on?
Well, this whole week has been algo based on the Fed heads yapping. So basically you just have program trading on comments that the Fed makes, and it's causes crazy market volatility, although the VIX has barely even budged, and the S&P's down 250 off the highs. The Qs are down 12% off the highs.
Sure.
Usually when we have the Fed talking, FOMC week or something, we usually do have chop, but this whole week has just been choppy because we just have Fed after Fed speaker multiple days. So you're just having very quick rotation, literally hours to a couple days. And it's just a mess. So hopefully after this week, things will get kind of, are we really going to sell off? Are we going to rally? At least something to give us some kind of direction. It's just no fun trading a sideways chop.
Yeah, I can see that. And I guess it's, we're kind of getting into that final sprint to the election where nobody wants to put anything at risk because this is where the crazy stuff starts to happen.
Yeah, that's, one thing I keep asking myself is, where's the money flowing? And if you look at outflows in equities, especially NASDAQ stocks, usually you have, correlation. So you have money flow out of stocks into bonds, into precious metals, into the Japanese yen. And you're really having metal sell off, stocks sell off, the yen sell off. Bonds have not done anything. So your flight to safety there hasn't moved. So it's very odd. We've seen the dollar strong, money flowing into the US dollar. That's the new safety asset class, I guess. So like it's just weird. Like, or even utilities or consumer staples, no inflows there either. It's a crappy rotation, and get the week over.
Like sailing through the Bermuda Triangle. No wind, no hope of wind, just relentless heat and stuffiness.
Yeah, it's weird. It started last week with the quad witching in September, and just it's continued this week. And like you said, elections upcoming. I don't know if we're getting any debates or anything like that, which usually contribute to some market volatility. But
yeah, I'm trying to envision a debate at this point. Would be more of a mudslinging contest, I think.
Yeah, I mean, maybe if they get their wheelchairs out and teleprompters and maybe poking stick and
Yeah, cattle prods.
yeah, maybe that will that could be the new debate and
Hmm.
yeah, with the no crowd in a dark room.
Yeah. So, what's the expectation then? Is like, where do you see the next opportunity maybe rearing its ugly head, or do you care to sort of wander into the direction of prediction and thus risk a wearing of egg?
I think this market's going to trade higher. Like if if you can't even pop the VIX during a sell off like this, and volatility products like VXX, the Barclays ETF, and metals, if this is the bears drag down of stocks, it's very weak, to say the least. So I think nothing's going to change via the U.S. elections, and we're going to have post-election another big rally. Yeah, it obviously this year is different. We've never had an election with COVID and everything going on in the world, but I just think it's short term volatility, and the people who watch the market and every tick are obviously going to be scared and everything. But for long term, I think the trend is still bullish, and short term corrections, they're common. They're going to happen in a bull market.
Right. What do you make of the new home sales beating all expectations?
The home builders, they're on fire. You look at Lennar, you look at PHM, you look at Toll, you look at Beazer. I mean, the home prices are soaring. Low interest rates are here to stay, and yeah, that's a positive. So people are spending money. Obviously, people staying at their house now. They want to have a nice home and furnish it. So if you look at home furnishing names too, and your Lowe's and Home Depot, obviously your home improvement stores. So that's very bullish. And at the end of the day, I always say to myself, where's money going to go? Okay, home prices up. That's good.
Well,
Uh,
interestingly, it's new home prices that are selling like hotcakes.
yeah,
Existing homes are not selling.
but that's they want new. Uh, it's like the cookie cutter house. So you have, let's say, Lennar go and build 20 homes in a neighborhood, and they want them brand new, and they'll up pay whatever they ask.
Yeah, it's intriguing. People are in love with that new home smell, which is essentially airborne plastic particles going up your nose and initiating cancerous growths.
Oh, exactly. Or they want to move to the cool part of town, so they'll tear down the home and build brand new.
Yeah,
And at crazy prices, I think, but it doesn't matter.
yeah. We've already started to see a run on toilet paper in my little town here out in the burbs,
Oh my.
which
Oh my.
surprises me. But a lot of things are surprising me. Like the sell-off in gold really kind of caught me by surprise because, well, I don't know. I find it difficult to support the idea of the U.S. dollar as a safe haven,
Oh, I
considering its
know.
increasingly hyper-inflated state.
Yeah, the silver sell off was actually more surprising to me.
Mhm.
But yeah, the U.S. dollar, really, the U.S. dollar now, not the yen, like historically, the U.S. dollar is now the currency where money is flowing into. Again, I think it's a short term trend in a bear market for the U.S. dollar. A short term pop in a bear market, and uh, you know, gold's actually held up a lot better than silver. If you look at the volatility in silver and the move in silver, my
Yep.
goodness, wow.
Are you seeing any action or any sort of volume flows into any of the coronavirus treatment or vaccine stocks at all?
The COVID stocks are pretty much dead. A few months ago, company could come out, say they were working on a COVID thing, and stock would pop 10, 20% and woo, have a nice run. Now it gets brushed aside. I see flow in Pfizer and Merck, and I have for the past few weeks. Obviously, they're part of the XLV. XLV's been selling off, and really, really just no love. So, if it is a Pfizer or Merck, who, let's say they do come out with the vaccine or something like that, maybe that stock's going to pop 5-10%, but it's not going to be like a small cap biotech where, they come out with the vaccine, it's up, 50, 100% or something like that,
Right. Right. All right. Well, let's leave it there for this week. There's not a lot to talk about, really. We're kind of in a dead zone.
Yeah, I know. I wish, trust me, I wish I could come and say good things and be yee, hey, hey. I'm, so excited to trade and get into all these positions. But in reality, it's, I'm sitting here trading, and then in the middle of the day playing Apex Legends, a video game on PS4, just so I can, have my mouse clicking somewhere else and not putting on trades. As sad as that sounds.
Sounds like
it's true though.
All right, we'll leave it there for now, Lance. We'll come back to you next week. Thanks for your commentary. We'll see you then.
Bye. Thank you, James.
Bye.